Maybe I didn't hold you as I should. You don't know it? Maybe I didn't love you quite as often as I should have. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Maybe I didn't hold you all those lonely, lonely times. And I guess I never told you, girl, I'm so sorry you were mine. If I made you feel second best, girl, I'm so sorry I was blind. But you were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Tell me that your sweet love hasn't died. Give me one more chance to keep you satisfied. Satisfied. My God. Come on, wave your hands into the air. Little things I should have said and done, girl, I just never took the time. But you were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. All right, yo, come on. Thank you very much. I love you all. Goodbye. I love you all. Give a big hand of applause for Matthias, for all the guys who did this today. For the guy who owns this place, that is possible for doing such thing tonight. Thank you, goodbye. I love you all. Can somebody get me off the stage, please? Please, please.
Dames en heren, het was Elvis Peterselie, zou ik bijna zeggen, maar